Hello friends, you are watching Tech Hunt in English YouTube channel. This is Sarinath. Let's get started with today's tech news. The first news on Apple to replace earbuds. Apple's AirPods Pro earbuds have found some audio problems. The problem is relating to active noise cancellation function. Apple told that there is small percentage of the earbuds have found these audio problems and all these are manufactured before October 2020. And Apple has launched a new service scheme to fix these issues. Through this service program, either they will replace the buds or fix the audio problems. However, Apple told they will not extend warranty on these earbuds. The next news on Samsung Galaxy S21 leaks. Samsung is expected to have three new models, which is called Samsung Galaxy S21, Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus, Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, and expecting this S series flagship by January 2021. And there is also speculation that the series name called with S30. And as per latest leaks, Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra model will have rear 5 camera sensors. And we don't have any information on fifth camera sensor as of now. Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra model may run on Android 11, which is based on One UI 3.0, and the expected key features of this mobile is it comes with 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED display with high refresh rates of 144 Hz. It is powered by Exynos 2100 SoC in India and other countries, whereas in China, US, it may be Qualcomm Snapdragon 875 SoC. Samsung Galaxy S21 is stripped include 108 megapixel primary sensor and 40 megapixel selfie snapper. It will pack with 5000 mAh battery and may support S Pen. The next news on Indian Army launches Sai application. The Indian Army has developed and launched a new secured application that is called Secured Application for the Internet. And this application supports for end-to-end secured text, audio and video calls on the Android platform. And this application will run over internet. This application will work like other messaging applications like WhatsApp, Telegram. This application will be used by Indian Army and not available for Indian public. This app will be very key to share the communication for the one who working on India-Pak or India-Chinese border. The next news on Indian smartphone market. The Indian smartphone market has seen all-time record. It has shipped over 53 million of smartphones during quarter 3. The mid-tier segment, which is 10,000 to 20,000 range, has a key role to set this record. During this quarter, Xiaomi has launched new mobile series which is Note 9, Note 9 Pro and Note 9 Pro Max. And Realme has new series which is C series and also Norzo. And also Samsung has expanded their Indian market. Samsung in recent days has launched two new mobiles which is Samsung Galaxy F41 and Samsung Galaxy M51. And the sales of these two mobile models helped Samsung to surpass Xiaomi to reach number one India brand. The next news on Apple has added new hardware button. It's hard to believe that Apple has done hardware key features through its software update. During last month, Apple has released iOS 14 software update to all its previous models. Through these software updates, they have done many changes. One of the major changes is the back panel will recognize taps. Simply you can double tap the back panel, it will take the screenshot. Triple tap for lock the screen instantly. And the good part of this key function is you can touch anywhere in the back panel including the corners and it will recognize your taps. By default, this function will be disabled in the mobiles. If you want to enable this function, go to settings, accessibility, touch and back panel on. Also, you can simply search back tap on the settings bar and you can enable it. The next tech news on LG's new mobile. LG will be launching second mobile in LG's Explorer project. LG is planning to launch its flagship mobile during Q1 21. As per rumors, this mobile will be powered by Snapdragon 875 chipset and this mobile will be rolled up with 10 new applications. And that's all for today's in tech news. If you like the video, please do subscribe, share, comment and hit a bell icon to receive my next videos. Thank you. Hope to see you in my next video.